Welcome e-MDs users. Today we're going to talk about a great feature in Chart that has applications throughout e-MDs. It's the replace function in your spell checker. It's a great tool for practices that use the same phrases over and over. These could be phrases on the billing or clinical side. It saves your staff substantial time and ensures that proper documentation takes place throughout your system. Let's get started. We'll start in Chart. We'll go to Tools at the top, then we'll click on Spell Checker at the bottom of the list. A new window will pop open. We'll click on the Dictionaries button in the lower right. A new window will pop open again. Click on your user ID in the center of the screen. This will allow you to then click on the Edit button to the right. Again, a new window will pop open. Click on the Autocorrect Pairs in the top center. This will be where the magic happens. Here we can enter a minimum 3-character fictitious word. You want to make sure the word is fictitious and is not already used in e-MDs. Be careful with acronyms such as WWW or AAA, which could be found in the software already. You could use XYZ or QWR or anything else you'd like. For this example, we'll use MMM. Click in the Replace box, type in your fictitious word. Then hit the Tab key on your computer. Now type in the phrase that you commonly use that you never want to type again. We'll use something simple for this example. Denied duplicate claim. Once we have finished typing in the phrase, click the Add button. If you'd like to add more phrases, simply repeat the process. Once you have finished, click OK. The previous screens will still be open. To close them, click OK on each. At this point, you'll want to lock these changes into place. The way to do that is to simply log out of e-MDs and log back in. Now that we're back in e-MDs, we'll go to the Bill module, and I'll pull up a test patient. Let's pull up Bugs Bunny. And let's add an invoice note. We'll click on New, and we'll type in our fictitious word. Once we hit the space key, bam! It adds your phrase. It's that simple. Again, you can use this when adding information to chart notes, log notes, invoice notes, and anywhere else you can type text. It's a wonderful tool. One key point to remember is that this tip is user specific, so only your login will have these dictionary changes made to the database. This allows each individual in the practice to create their own based upon their preferences. Pretty cool. Let's say you're a biller and you use this function 20 to 30 times per day. That shortcut saves 4 to 6 seconds per patient entry. That is roughly 3 minutes of saved time per day. Over the course of the year, that's nearly 13 hours of employee time that you just gained back for other tasks. So in summary, if you have phrases that you use on a repeating basis for anything from med refills to log notes to denial codes, this tip will save time for your entire staff. And as we all know, time is money.
We hope you enjoyed this video and have some practical advice to take back to your offices. For more e-MDs tips and tricks as well as other billing advice, please visit our website at www.mysolor.com. As a third-party provider of billing services that only serves e-MDs practices, we'd be happy to answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching and have a great day.